snowing and it's pretty chill. Pretty chill. That's the Viking Orion, of course. Oh, look, they have a little shuttle bus. I'm guessing it's not for us. So we're going to walk across that bridge into the town. And I guess it's not really a town. Well, maybe it is. It's more of a tourist thing. Although there's a native village around here somewhere. Apparently they own the tourist thing. Oh, and it's a non-smoking city, town, tourist thing. Non-smoking. The whole thing. Don't do it. And you really should think about quitting. Across from the ship, we're in Icy Strait Point in the Adventure Center. And there's the historic cannery and some restaurants and things like that. There's a gift shop here selling things. The tribal hoodie is $50. Oh, but an Eagle t-shirt, $30. So I would say the prices are a little bit high. Apparently over here they sell tours. Here's a map of Icy Strait Point. We're right there. Here's where we check in for stuff. Here's the waiver station. I think we might have to do that. Here's a coffee bar. A latte. Cheaper than Starbucks maybe. Chips. That's our tour right over there. Spasski River Valley Wildlife and Bear Search. First we're gonna walk to the excursion hub, I suppose, on the nature trail. That's some pretty thick forest in there. These are berry vines, but I imagine the berries are all gone, because we're in the middle of August already. I see some buildings in there. Or rope ladders and log ladders for bridges. Now we're going to board this filthy bus where you will not want to take pictures through the windows. So we're on the bus now, driving somewhere, listening to the guide.
We're actually under construction of building a second dock down here at Icy Strait Point. And that dock is in full use by the next season of 2020, and that dock is being built for the mega cruise ships through the Norwegian cruise line, so we'll be getting much bigger ships throughout here next year. So that store is going to cost you right around $37 a can.
So we're coming into the town,
avoid it as much as possible.
Sort of.
So I'd like to catch that Alaska Marine Highway system over to Juneau, get to our nearest Costco, and load up on a bunch of groceries there on Costco. Try to do that about once a month or once every 2 months throughout the year, and it really saves you a lot of money. Here on the left-hand side of the bus, we're going to come across the Yakihini carving shed. Take a look at this big red canoe that we're about to pass up here on the left. That big red canoe was carved by one solid spruce tree.
So we're out of town, we're in the forest. Still riding them.
So if you look off on either side of the bus, you can see this really empty area where there's not many trees growing inside. That is what we call a muskeg. And how these muskegs are created is once upon a time the glacier actually covered this whole island that we are on now. And when the glacier uncovered this earth, it would have left big rocky ravines everywhere.
We just got off the bus. This is our group. We're going to wait here until the bus turns around. Pretty thick forest on both sides. Janet says there's a trail through there. I'm asking her to go on it and check it out. She says no thanks. Gentleman here with a rifle, right, just in case.
At this point in time, I always like to turn things over to George. And the reason I like to turn things over to George, in our native culture, respect is a really big thing. So at this point in time, I would just like to show my respect to George. Turn things over to him for a quick minute, and then after George is done, we'll get working our way down the trail.
And we headed down a trail. into the forest. Of course, it has a railing. And it is private property. Pretty dense forest. Nice and dark in here. Although in the video it looks very light. But it's dark in here. Of course I'm wearing sunglasses. Coming to a clearing. I might call it a meadow. And now we're on a wooden boardwalk. Came from up in there. This is our group. I don't know if this is a viewing platform. Don't see any bears though. So we're heading back into the forest now from out of the meadow. And we're getting off the boardwalk back onto a gravel trail. It's not as dense here, and I see that the plants have all been cut, it looks like. So it's like they cleaned the forest floor up or something. But I'm not sure. This must be a viewing platform, huh? And there's a river, the Spasski River. Is the way that guy pronounced it. Look at those shrooms. That was platform 1. We stood there for 15-20 minutes. Now we're going to migrate down to platform 2. Or we're going to skip platform 2. We're going to go to platform 3. Through the forest. We've reached platform 2. Our guide says we won't be stopping here for very long because he doesn't like it, because you can't see where the bears usually are up there at the bend in the river. But it is lovely scenery. So this is viewing platform 3, I guess. Just spawning down there. These seagulls are coming in to eat them though.
It's really interesting watching these.
Yeah. That fish could be
too to look at this. So it's a bear sighting. That's pretty cool carving, really. Well, we're leaving the viewing platform now and heading back to the bus, having not seen any bears, unless you count statues. But they don't guarantee them, so this is the roots of a tree that tipped over there. There's blueberries, raspberries. Well, our Spasski adventure hike bear hunt, we didn't find any bears, and it's over. They brought us back here. This is Icy Strait Point, is where we started, and well, that's that. Fort Monkey's out from Icy Strait Point. Bye.